a professional who needs also an analysis. Mm-hmm. So I will not analyze, because I see the absurdity of it. Mm-hmm. You follow, sir?
Yes, I do.
I won't run.
No backing off.
Backing
no
off.
Flight.
No explanations, no rationalization, no analysis. I'm faced with this thing. And what is fear? Wait. Leave that.
Yes.
For them. Then there are the unconscious fears.
Yes.
Of which I don't know. They express themselves occasionally when I'm alert. When I see this thing coming out of me.
When I'm alert.
Alert. When I'm watching. Or when I'm not, when I'm looking at something, this comes up. Uninvited. Now, it is important for the mind to be completely free of fear. It's essential, as food is essential. It's essential for the mind to be free of fear. So, I see outwardly what we've discussed. Now I say, what is this? What are the hidden fears? Can I consciously invite them come to the surface? You follow?
Yes, I do.
Or the unconscious conscious cannot touch that. Do you follow me?
Yes, I do. Yes.
Conscious can only deal with the things it knows. But it cannot observe the thing it doesn't know.
Or have access to.
So, what am I to do? Dreams? Dreams are merely a continuation of what I've lived during the day. They continue in a different form and so on. We won't go into that for the moment. So how is all that to be awakened and exposed? The racial fears, the fears that this society has taught me, the fears that the family has imposed, the neighbor, all those crawling, ugly, brutal things that are hidden. How shall they all come up naturally and exposed so that the mind sees them completely? You understand?
Yes, I do. I was just thinking about what we're doing in relation to what you're saying. Here we are in a university situation where hardly any listening goes on at all, if any. Why? Well, if we were to relate to each other in terms of my sitting back here, saying to myself every time you made a statement, well, what do I have to say back? To even if my reaction were benign, and I'd say to myself as a professor, I'd say, well, now, that's a very interesting concept. Perhaps we could clear that up a little bit, that nonsense. Nonsense in terms of what is immediate here. That's what I mean. I don't mean demonstrating something on the board. We should never have begun to be together.
Yeah.
Never started. And yet we might have given ourselves the idea that we were trying very hard to be sincere. Yes, I understand. But fear is at the base of that too, because the professor is thinking to himself,
his position,
he's got his reputation at stake here. He better not keep quiet too long, because someone might get the idea that either he doesn't understand the thing that's going on, or he doesn't have anything to contribute to what's going on. All of which has nothing to do with anything.
Absolutely.
Yeah, right. Please go on.
Look how what I've found. I cannot, the conscious mind conscious thought cannot invite and expose the hidden fears. It cannot analyze it, because that analysis, we said, is inaction. And there is no escape. I shan't run off to a church or Jesus or Buddha or somebody, or identify myself with some other thing. I pushed all those aside because I've understood their use.
Yes.
Their futility. So I'm left with this. I'm this, my baby.
Yes. Right.
So, what shall I do? Some action has to take place.
Yes, indeed.
I can't just say, well, I've pushed all that aside. I've just said, now just see what happens, sir. Because I've pushed all those aside through observation, not through resistance, not through violence, because I've negated all those, escape, no analysis, running off to something and all the rest of that, I have energy, haven't I? Mind has energy now.
Now it has, yes. Yes, it slugs up.
Because I've pushed away all the things that are dissipate energy.
Energy leaks.
Therefore, I have now this thing. I'm confronted with that. Confronted with fear. Now what can I do? Listen to this, sir. What can I do? I can't do anything. Because it is I who have created the fear. Public opinion.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right? So I cannot do a thing about fear.
Precisely.
But there is the energy which has been gathered, which has come into being when all dissipation of energy has ended. There's energy. You follow?
Exactly, virtue. Right.
Energy.
Manifested. Yeah,
energy.
Exactly.
Now, what happens? This is not some hocus pocus. This is some kind of mystical experience. There is actual fear, and I have tremendous energy which has come because there is no dissipation of energy. So what takes place? So wait.
Oh, I'm waiting.
Wait.
There was something
place?
going through my mind.
Yeah. What takes place? So I say, so what has created fear? What has brought it about? Because if I have the energy, you follow, sir, to put that question and find the answer for that question. Not, I've got energy now. I don't know.
Yes.
So, what has brought it about? You, my neighbor, my country, my culture?
Myself.
What has brought it about?
I've done it.
Who is I?
I don't mean I as the fragmented observer off from me. It is this. I'm thinking what you said earlier about the mind as disordered, which requires to empty itself of the disorder, doesn't require another mind to do it.
No,
yes.
I'm asking, what has brought this fear into me, into my consciousness? I won't use that word because we'll have to go into that in a different way. What has brought this fear? And I won't leave it till I find it. You understand, sir? Because I've got the energy to do it.